new channel where I'm playing the game from inside the game. Subscribe to Googly Eyes now.
I'm setting the time, dude, or we're like fast forwarding into the future. Wait, what time is it? 11:44. 11.
Oh, no!
Hello and welcome to 10 tech items that will waste your money. In fact, we're actually not sure if it's gonna waste your money, but we're gonna buy it to find out if it's gonna waste your money so that you don't have to, and also maybe you get a few little laughs. Maybe a laugh or two, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Brian has gone through the entire internet to find the stupidest, silliest, funniest tech he could possibly find. Say hello, Brian.
Hi.
Guys, make sure you click that bell icon next to my channel name on desktop and on mobile to get notified of when I upload videos, because I will be commenting back within the first 30 minutes of every upload ever. Yay! Land solar car. World's smallest solar powered car. Solar panel covers the entire roof and makes this baby fly. Who wrote that? I feel like my dad wrote this description. It makes this baby fly. About the size of a quarter. Look at the little fingers.
Some pruny fingers.
That's some pruny fingers, dog. You gotta lotion up. Could it start on fire? If you used a spell checker, doused it in gasoline, and then took a lighter to it, yes. It is small. Not quarter, dime-ish. Was looking for more left in the box as I opened up the Amazon box. It doesn't work. Don't buy it. China products suck as always. They must be banned. Never buy this kind of product. Okay, good, thanks for the warning. But I'm not going to heed it. I'm going to instantly buy it. Wow, that is small, dude. That is super small. Look how small this little dude is. He's so cute. OMG, dude. Specially designed and fashionable. Okay, I don't know about fashionable. You put it on your jacket and you're like, check out my new solar car. It's riding all around me, baby, just like you. Okay, ready, set, go, solar car, go! Check this out. Boom. Doubly intense. It's not going, dude. Maybe it just needs super intense sun. Do you see any movement whatsoever? Whoa, I see movement! It jumped forward! Although I think I just hit it with my phone. There's literally no sunlight outside, guys. Like, if I can show you right now, it's literally super dark. Okay, well, that's it for that. Doesn't work. Woo, digi! A USB hub, a Drag 3 hub computer. Very cute design. Total of 5 wires. What does that even mean? 4 input, 4 output. Oh, that's just strange. Are those like USB drives? It doesn't say if those are, you know, have any storage on them. Unit did not work. You can plug and play it and it lights up, but will not power anything. Not worth my time to send it back.
Talking about lights, there's nothing about lights in any of the descriptions.
She loves it. Who? Who is she talking? Who is this person talking about? She loves it, as it does what it's supposed to do and looks cute. She does think some more quality could have went into manufacturing. Who is it? Who are we talking about, dude? Just so stinking cute. Got this for my secretary. She's a pig lover. She just loved it. Oh, you pig lover. Oh, pig lover. That's something else, dude. Power Up 2.0 electric paper airplane conversion kit. Wow, it converts your paper airplane. Ooh, I love product videos, dude. Let's watch it, guys. What am I even watching right now, dude? It's like someone's drunk filming it. What am I watching? I can't get over the music. This video is 3 minutes long. Music's getting more intense.
Oh, you're more interested in the music than the product.
I can just think of some creep in the background of this band going, I'm the clap master of the Ray Johns 2000. Okay, that's enough of that. Delivers enough power for 30 seconds of flight with just 20 seconds of charge. Virtually unbreakable. Comes with directions for making 4 awesome paper airplanes. Okay. Can you make it fly without connecting it to an airplane? No, it would just hit the ground. After the plane is tossed without a remote, won't it just keep flying until it runs out of charge? It eventually hits the ground. Can I reverse the pull and fly the propeller reverse? Technically yes, but at your own risk. LMAO! Cheap construction. It broke the first time my son used it. It's too bad. Well, time to add to cart. Oh, it's like old school looking. Power up 2.0, more power than ever. Well, that's cool. Okay. Hank Green? Is that you, Hank? Not even a little bit, just a little bit. Oh boy, got some paper folding instructions. Read before flying. Power up will not make poorly constructed airplane fly. Just insulting you right off the bat. Hey, if you suck at this, it won't work. Oh, I'm doing good though. I'm doing the good though. Is that it?
That's it. Oh. Okay.
That's a nice plane. Okay, so how do I install this now? So now that I've installed this little motor with what I assume is the battery and weight in the front. Okay, so evidently I just can make contact here. Should I let it go? Maybe you gotta throw it in a bigger place. Let's go outside and test it. Ooh, it's going fast.
I think you're hitting the paper plane.
Why is it going upside down? We need to cut these things so it elevates these up. All right, we're cutting it right now. We elevate these puppies up like that, and that should give us some lift. A little too much lift. Hey!
I lost it. Oh. Oh! Oh! Did you just catch that?
I caught that, bro! I literally threw it and then caught it. It's not wasteful if you have the time to tinker around with it, but I could see someone having fun with it, but for me, the plane just flies like a normal paper airplane. Next product, Radiometer. Radiometer? Veins in the radiometer are alternatively dark and the light in color. Okay, so essentially it's that one thing that you hold it, like there's no pictures of it, but I'm sure we can find something online.
Inside there, it's
oh,
actually much
that's
higher
it?
that causes it to spin.
That's what it does? Wow, that's it? It moves a little thing around? It's the spear powered by the sun. What? When light strikes the diamond wings, it transfers heat to each one, but not to the same degree. A favorite from my childhood sits in the office and does its thing. This was my science class in the 60s. It's very cool and nerdy, but then again, so am I. I'll say that twice, or else you could say that again. A device that can really make your day. It's like having your own scientific lab in your living room. I can watch it for hours just for fun. Someone can watch that thing spin for hours just like, look at that radiometer, baby. I'm gonna pass on that one. It's a pass. Mini USB powered fridge cooler for beverage drink cans in cubicle and home office. Powered entirely via your computer's USB port. It holds one can. It doesn't even look like it's insulated properly. Man, you gotta not have not a lot of room in your office or something like that. I only drink one can a day and I put it in there in the morning and that's what I do, okay? That's all I do, that's what I do, okay? Ah! Brings a smile to the faces of fun-loving computer geeks and looks cool as can be. Not great for cooling, however, it is good at keeping things warm. What? He still gave it 3 stars. This thing is awesome. Got it from my ex-boyfriend a year ago. I should have asked for it back after we broke up. Just things that just aren't pertinent to the review. I wish I had it back from my ex-boyfriend. Please give it back. I can actually see it if maybe you open a beverage and you want to keep it cool while you're drinking it. That's a good idea. Let's check it out. Let's see if it's any good. Add to cart. USB fridge. The only way to keep your drink cold while you're at your computer. What about ice? You can keep your beverage chilled and stay at your computer longer. Powered by USB with 4 feet of cable. Oh look, you can see that there's like the cooling mechanism in there and there's like a little plate in there too. It cools specifically a can. Mm-hmm. Okay, so it doesn't actually cool the air around it like a normal refrigerator. It cools the plate, which then cools the can. I'm gonna put the drink right in there. And now we fast forward 20 minutes. Okay, let's check it out. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's not that cold. It's not super ice cold, but it's cold. Next product. Viper Tech, 35 million volts, mini stun gun. That's not right, is it? 35 million? Can that kill a man? No expensive batteries to buy. Non-slip rubber coating, lifetime warranty. Yeah, I imagine that would be bad if you like were trying to like tase someone or whatever, or what is it, stun them, and then like your fingers slip up and touch it, and you're like, you're both like in this like ceremonious like stun together, like you're both twitching out crazily.
Stunning together.
You look into each other's eyes, and it was meant to be. Are these effective against grizzly bears? I don't know. 4 stars, haven't used it on anybody, but I know it works. Fun for the whole family. We chase each other and zap each other for fun because it doesn't hurt that much. Tested it on a guy who's scared. I punched him and then I tased him just because I was upset. But fantastic product, I love it. Someone's like, hey, I voted for Trump, and they're like, how dare you? Just tase him immediately. Isn't this like a real thing? This is really strong. I stun myself every day. Are these real, dude? Did you Photoshop these in here?
Oh, verified purchase.
What the heck, man? I'm gonna pass. I don't wanna get stunned, nor do I want it in my office for anyone else to find it and stun me with, so no thanks. Vodkart USB LED fan clock. Plug and play. The flexible metal neck allows for adjusting the direction of the fan. Great office gift or gadget giveaway. Use a marketing tool at events and trade shows. How's that a marketing tool? Look at what time it is. Don't you want to buy the time? Okay. No doubt. I ordered this and received one that states I love you instead of a clock. I saw this in other customer reviews too. I want the one with the clock. USB fan clock stopped working after less than a week of service. This is extremely disappointing. It moist feature abysmal electronic design. Wrong item shipped. The product I received works, but it wasn't the clock. I received the one where you make a design on. I like tinkering with it and changing the design. Never worked, spun for half a second. My youngest teen was wearing this out. He loves it. What? It's not a fashion accessory. Where are you plugging this into, young teen? Let's add it to the cart. Let's proceed. Okay, so look, it says the LED clock. Durable soft fan blades for safe usage. Gently adjust the flexible neck.
Why do you read it all sensual like that?
We're about to test this out. You ready for this? Ready? Ready? Okay. Oh! It's loud as heck though, bro. Oh yeah, there you go. Look at that! It says 3 something. Oh! There we go, dude. I'm setting the time, dude, or we're like fast forwarding into the future. Wait, what time is it? 11:44. 11. Oh, no. Forget it. That's good enough. Like, I like this thing. This is pretty cool, even though I'm never gonna use it again. I don't know why. I'm mesmerized. Invisible secret spy nano wireless earphone earpiece for mobile phone. What is this? No, you literally put that in your ear? I'm not putting that tiny of a thing in my ear. That's how you have to get it out of your ear. A magnet. You put something in your ear and you're just like, well, that's in there to stay unless I have a magnet putting up to my head. What are the chances of this going to harm my ear? Practically 0. Is there any chance that this could get stuck in your ear? No, it comes with a magnet so you can take it out easily. Where does this big magnet go? The big magnet doesn't go anywhere. It is used to help take the smaller magnets out of your ear. I guess you could just keep it in your pocket? I had high hopes for this earpiece, but as soon as I plugged it in, it literally caught fire. They have a YouTube video. I have to watch that, dude. I have to watch that. Bad camera. Show me, dude. Do it. Did it just light up on fire? Wait, is he just touching it to a battery? Oh, that's how you charge it, dude. Look, see, it's catching fire right there. Bad camera. I think I'm gonna pass on this. I'm gonna pass. It's passed. USB optical finger mouse. I've seen these before. Right button, left button, mouse wheel. Plug and play, no installation needed. Can be used on any surface. No mouse pad is required. Ergonomical design. Reduce fatigue effectively. That's interesting. Try again, guys. Just received this and plugged it in to find that my computer did not recognize it. Later, after messing with Windows mouse control, I was able to get it to function, but there is no instructions. Really a pain to use, not practical. I'm pleasantly surprised at how well it works, and it took me almost no time to get used to it. I initially have some trouble getting used to Windows 7 to recognize it. Okay, so it might have some trouble. I'm actually curious enough to try this thing, so let's add to cart. Oh, it came in like a very nondescript damaged box. Look at this thing. Okay, pretty simplistic. No instructions, absolutely no instructions came with it. Let's plug this into the PC and see if we can get things to work here. There we go. Ooh, we got some light. Oh, it's working. And I like attach it to my finger like that. Oh, and then I click these buttons like this, and then I can scroll as well. Okay, let's see if I can get used to this, guys. So this is me using the mouse right now. How does this work? Feel slightly drunk. Oh, okay, scrolling works. Not great. Okay, there we go. Scrolling works, pretty good. Oh, it just jumps all over the place though. Once I can freaking get this thing to work, I feel like a drunk sailor. You think you can actually get used to this? I don't know, man. The issue is when you click things with it, it moves the mouse. You know what I mean? So that like you end up like selecting and dragging things instead of actually clicking them. I don't think I'm able to ever get used to this because it's so inaccurate. You have to like seriously concentrate. The minute I pull up like this, it just stops tracking. How is this less easy than just doing this? This is way more easy. This one you gotta like get all like wired in. You're like, all right, mom, I'm ready to go down to my basement and tickle the interwebs. Wasteful. This is wasteful, not tasteful. SpyX night mission goggles. Okay, so similar to the last episode, but these I think are less real. Oh yes, a video. Yes, thank you.
SpyX Roll-In Spy Bug. Listen to secrets up to 15 meters away.
15 meters.
SpyX See in the dark up to 8 meters away. SpyX Risk
8 meters?
Talk with other spies over 3K away. SpyX Spy like
She's making popcorn.
anywhere, anytime.
Who cares what she's doing? She's making popcorn. Yes! Mission accomplished! We successfully proved she made popcorn in the middle of the night! Polyester. That's the first feature. Polyester. High-tech night vision goggles will let you see up to 25 feet away in the dark. I can already do that, and I have bad eyes. Feature twin light beams. Light beams? Why don't you just use a normal light? Light beams. Light, literally light. That's what helps you see in the dark, light. Cool flip-out scope is perfect for precision daytime snooping. Daytime, where there's light. Do you have to put batteries in it? From what I can see from the description, it will take 3 AA batteries. Got this as a gag gift, literally just goggles with a flashlight. Best gag gift ever. These are not night vision goggles. They simply put 2 LEDs mounted on the pair of goggles. I returned the 2 pairs I purchased. These are fun, but super bright light, like blinding if you look right at them. Wasteful. I'm not gonna buy that one. Guys, make sure you check out this 6 strange dollar store items where Brian went to the dollar store and found some of the weirdest things. This is like one of the first episodes we ever shot. Super hilarious, where I literally had like poop candy. It was nasty. Also, click up there to subscribe because we make videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. PST. High five.